Hi guys, Cynthia here, and in this module I'm gonna show you like just simple easy ways that you can get traffic to your store, right? The first way obviously is on Facebook, guys. Just create a Facebook page and just go to Facebook, go up here and you hit on create and then create page, and that's it. You go like business or brand, you put the same. I recommend you guys to keep it consistent. So for example, we put the healthy living here as the name, so you will go and put the healthy living as your Facebook page, and then the category doesn't matter. You can put clothing, I think, a clothing brand. Then you hit continue, and yeah, you just set it up, and that's it. And then you put this, like if you put a header here, like I told you guys on the store, you would put like the same header here on your Facebook page. So if you hit continue, blah blah blah, you will just create a simple Facebook page, guys. It's not, I'm pretty sure you all know how to do this. It's very simple. Just follow the steps that Facebook tells you. Like here, you see, this says upload a profile page. If you do a simple logo for your store, you will just put the logo, then the cover photo, the same one. If, as I said, if you did a banner, just put the same banner here on this page, and that's it. And that's it, guys. And then that's all you need to do. There's not much to it. And then you keep uploading your products on this page. It's very simple. You just do it here, or you set everything up. I recommend you to add a button here and just put the URL of your store. So you would hit it, and there's a button that it says shop now. Just change it to shop now, like this one, shop now. There we go. And then you hit continue and website link, and put the link of your store here. And that's so simple, guys. And then here you would just keep uploading images of your t-shirts and your hoodies. So you just click on any that you like, and if you're using a Mac like I'm using, just drag it out. You click on it and then you drag it out, and that's it. You drag it out, and that's how you would save it to your desktop. So super simple. If you're on a Windows, you can do it like, so you can do it like control, and then control right, and then you just save image as, guys. You save it on your computer, and then you keep uploading your content, your images of your product onto your Facebook page, guys. Super simple. The thing about that is it's gonna be pretty slow, because Facebook doesn't like organic traffic that much. They want you to pay. So if you want to invest a couple of dollars to send some traffic to your fan page, it's not expensive. You can spend like a couple of like $5 and do a campaign on page likes. And that's it. You can spend only $5. Do a campaign on page likes to get a couple of 100 people to like your page, so they're gonna see your content, and that's how you're gonna get some friction, some attraction to your page. And yeah, that's the simplest way, but you can do it also for free, and try to get some organic traffic through it. Obviously, you can also, very effective way to get free traffic, guys, is just to go to Facebook groups. Like for example, we're doing the health niche on this one, so if we put weight loss into the search bar, and then we go to groups, there's so many groups that are about weight loss and all of that. So you just join all of these groups, and then you start to give value and all of that, guys. And then you're like casually, it's not trying to be salesy, just casually just mention like, guys, I've seen this t-shirt in this page, like, what do you guys think about it? I really like it, I'm thinking of getting it, do you guys think it's cool? Just like casually, and that's it. They don't even need to know that it's your store. And then casually you get that into in some conversations, guys, and you can advertise like that, but like try to keep it as casual as possible. Some groups are not gonna let you do that, but just read the instructions of each group, guys. And that's another like free way to get traffic. One of the best traffics, and this is the one I do, the one I recommend, is Instagram. Instagram is huge and is the best way to get traffic, guys. Best way to get free traffic and a lot of traffic to your store. So yeah, you can just go to Instagram, guys, and create a page, an Instagram page that is again congruent to what you are you're doing. If it's the healthy living, go and create an Instagram account, name it the healthy living, trying to be consistent. If you come, if it says that it's already taken, we'll look for something similar, add maybe a couple of words like the healthy living shop, healthy living store, you know what I mean, but try to keep it consistent. And that's it. And then you create a page on Instagram, guys, and same thing, you start uploading your product images that we've created here. Very simple. You upload it to Instagram and use hashtags. Use hashtags to get people to actually see your stuff, guys. Yeah, like I'm doing here. This is one of my stores, Instagram stores that I'm growing, and I started. And then you say like just putting like the images, and that's it. And then you start growing a little by little, and people are gonna keep seeing your stuff. And yeah, super simple, guys. Very simple. And yeah, there's not much to it. Not much to it. You can also do this cool type of pose, like you see. You can put your own quotes of your t-shirts on models. I would put also I will put it down below, the link to the website where I'm doing these cool designs. So you guys can also do that with your own t-shirt designs, and you can see how cool it looks. And yeah, and you start to grow your account. I will also put down below I have an Instagram course when I show you guys how to grow your account and all of that, and how to get a bunch of traffic, and different ways to get a bunch of traffic from Instagram. So I will also leave down below my Instagram course, so you guys can learn how to get a bunch of traffic through Instagram for free, because that's the best way to do it for free. Then there's more rapid ways, obviously, to get sales faster, which is with Instagram shoutouts. You pay a couple of bucks, and an influencer gets you a bunch of eyes on your Instagram page, guys. But yeah, if you want to do it for free, it's gonna take some time, some traction. But if you want to speed that up, I would recommend you just spend a couple of $20, $30, $40 on an influencer, and you're gonna get much faster results, and you're gonna recoup that investment very quickly, guys. Trust me, influencers are very, very good. You just have to do your due diligence, and I show you how to do it in my Instagram course, so don't worry about it. If you follow that one on traffic, is great, and it's gonna speed up your process. But for free, it's also good, guys. You just have to be consistent, upload like every single day, twice or 3 times a day, and you're gonna get traction to your store, to your clothes, and you're gonna get sales, guys. So don't worry about it. Super simple. But yeah, with free traffic, it's always, everything's a little bit slower, but if you are proactive, you're gonna get sales. And obviously you can always you know, sell it, like, just tell your friends, your family, like, casually. They don't need to, as I said, you don't need to know that it's yours. Just casually, like, mention to your friends, like, look how this cool t-shirt. And maybe they're even gonna go and buy it, right? It's really cool. You're just recommending something. You're not telling them, like, go and buy. You just don't be, like, salesy and don't push people. Just, like, recommend. It's like just send a link, like, oh, this cool store about healthy stuff. Like, if you have a healthy friend that is into like taking care of themselves and all that, maybe they find this funny and they like it and they go and buy it. So you never know, guys. But yeah, those are the best ways for free traffic. I would recommend that I do. For free, just have a Facebook page, have an Instagram page, and you can also connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, and everything that you post on your Instagram page will directly connect to your Facebook page, so you don't have to do it twice, guys. So that's like 2-in-1 traffic in one go. So that's the base ways for free traffic are those two platforms, guys. And as I said, well, there's other ways, but those are the best ones for free traffic. And if you want even more and more ways to get traffic to this, you can go and grab the OTO, the first OTO, which is traffic, and I show you there even more ways to get traffic effectively, guys. But these are the best ways to do it for free Instagram and Facebook, and a Facebook page, guys. So yeah, guys, that is the module on traffic. I hope you find it informative, that you go and do it and be proactive when you've completed your store, and yeah, go and make money, guys. See you in the next one.